still using your phone to capture your wildest adventures? Then you're missing out, big time. Because there's a budget-friendly action camera that's blowing people's minds with 4K video, 48MP photos, and features you'd expect from gear twice the price. Meet the Apex Cam 4K, your next must-have for capturing every epic moment. Let me show you. Number 1. Wi-Fi action camera. Are you still relying on your phone to capture your wildest adventures? Then you haven't met the Akeso Brave 7 LE. Whether you're diving 130 feet underwater or hiking through a downpour, this rugged little beast turns every moment into a cinematic memory. Let's be real. Standard cameras or smartphones just don't cut it when you're on the move. They shake, they get wet, and worst of all, they miss the epic moments. And you know what's worse? Trying to vlog with the back camera, only to realize later your face wasn't even in frame. Enter the Akeso Brave 7 LE, a true all-weather action camera with power pack features. It's IPX7 rated, meaning it's water-resistant right out of the box, and when you slap on the waterproof housing, it handles dives up to 131 feet deep like a pro. But here's what vloggers really love, the dual color screens. Yup, there's a crisp front screen for perfect selfies and a 2-inch back touchscreen for easy control. Just press and hold the mode button to switch views. Capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and 20MP photos with mind-blowing clarity. And thanks to the EIS 2.0 stabilization, you get butter-smooth footage, even while sprinting or biking off-road. It doesn't stop there. You get digital zoom, time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion modes. Plus, it comes bundled with 2 batteries, a remote control, waterproof housing, and all the mounting accessories you could dream of. Number 2. Akeso Brave 8 Lite Waterproof Action Camera. Still shooting your epic moments with shaky footage and dull colors? Then it's time to meet the Akeso Brave 8 Lite, the action camera that packs Hollywood-level performance into the palm of your hand. Rugged, waterproof, and stupidly smooth, it's a game changer. Let's face it, most cameras struggle with action. Whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or just vlogging on the go, your footage ends up looking shaky, flat, or plain unusable. And don't even get me started on those clunky stabilizers or limited selfie options. But the Brave 8 Lite, it flips the script. This beast shoots in ultra-crisp 4K at 60 frames per second and captures 20MP photos that actually pop thanks to its powerful Amberella chip and HDR-enhanced image processing. Say goodbye to dull highlights and lost shadow details. What really sets this camera apart is its super smooth stabilization tech, a combo of built-in anti-shake hardware and an intelligent auto-smoothing algorithm from the app. No gimbal, no problem. Even your time-lapse shots look silky smooth. And underwater lovers, you're in for a treat. It's waterproof up to 33 feet straight out of the box. Want to go deeper? Add the optional waterproof housing and dive up to 131 feet. You also get a dual-screen setup, a 2-inch rear touchscreen, and a front-facing display, so framing your vlogs or selfies is ridiculously easy. Plus, there's a wristband remote for hands-free control and an ultra-wide 166 degrees lens that captures every crazy angle. Need a vertical shot? Just twist your wrist. The G-sensor flips it instantly. Number 3. Wolfang GA 420 Action Camera 4K. Ever wish your adventure footage looked as epic as it felt? Meet the Wolfang GA 420, the 4K action camera that turns your hikes, dives, rides, and even road trips into crystal clear cinematic memories. This little powerhouse does not mess around. Let's be honest, your phone just can't handle the heat or the water or the motion. Blurry shots, muffled sound, missed moments. You want sharp, stable, jaw-dropping footage, whether you're snowboarding down a mountain or diving into the ocean. That's where the GA420 comes in. This beast captures 4K video at 60 frames per second and 24MP photos, all through a 170 degrees adjustable wide-angle lens. So whether you want to go ultra-wide or zoom in tight, you've got options. And speaking of zoom, it's got 8x zoom for cinematic detail from every angle. Worried about shaky footage? Don't be. The 3.0 EIS stabilization system is next level, an advanced 6-axis anti-shake engine that keeps your videos smooth, even when you're on the move. And here's the real kicker. It's waterproof without a case up to 10 meters, and with the included housing, you can go down to 40 meters. Plus, the dive mode actually color corrects your underwater footage, so it looks as rich and real as what you saw with your own eyes. The GA420 also comes with dual microphones, including a noise-canceling external mic, a total win for vloggers or anyone recording in loud environments. And yeah, it doesn't stop there. Loop recording, time-lapse, slow-mo dashcam mode, webcam mode, continuous shooting. It's not just an action camera, it's your creative toolkit. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4 Waterproof Action Camera. If you've ever wished your adventure videos looked as epic as your actual adventures, this is the camera for you. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is an absolute powerhouse built for action junkies, content creators, and everyday thrill seekers who demand cinematic quality, no matter the conditions. Most action cams crumble in low light, suffer from battery anxiety, or can't handle harsh weather. But if you're hiking in snow, diving into surf, or shooting golden hour magic, compromising on image quality isn't an option. That's where the Action 4 comes in. This beast rocks a massive 1/1.3-inch sensor, meaning even your low-light footage looks crisp, colorful, and cinematic morning, night, or stormy skies. Want that warm sunset, glow, or rich color contrast? The 10-bit color and D-Log M settings capture every vivid detail. Think pro-level color grading right out of the camera. And get this, it records up to 160 minutes straight, even in freezing temps as low as -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So yes, it's just as hardcore as you are. Shooting fast-paced action? The 4K at 120 frames per second and 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view pull you right into the moment. Skate tricks, mountain biking, cliff diving, you name it, this camera makes it feel epic. And switching from horizontal to vertical takes literally 1 second with the magnetic quick-release system. Shaky footage? Forget it. With 3 levels of stabilization, your clips come out buttery smooth, whether you're bombing downhill or sprinting up rocky trails. Number 5. Apex Cam Action Camera 4K. So, you're out chasing sunsets, diving into waves, or bombing down mountain trails, but your camera just can't keep up? Let me introduce you to the Apex Cam 4K Action Camera, an ultra-affordable beast that packs pro-level features without emptying your wallet. Let's be real, most budget action cams give you shaky video, grainy photos, and minimal storage. And just when you capture the perfect moment, boom, out of space, out of battery, out of luck. But Apex Cam said, not today. You're getting crystal clear 4K at 60 frames per second and 48 MP still shots, which means every splash, twist, or trail is captured in crazy detail. Thanks to its 6-layer optical glass lens, colors pop and motion stays smooth. And here's a win. It comes with a 64 gigabytes micro SD card right in the box, plus 8x digital zoom. Want to film that eagle in the distance? You're covered. Built-in Wi-Fi and the Live DV app let you shoot remotely or transfer footage in seconds. Add the 2.4G wireless remote, and boom, you've got 15 meters of freedom. Just remember, the remote isn't waterproof. Using it for driving or motorbike adventures, the pre-recording mode captures 5 seconds before you hit record, so you'll never miss those split-second moments again. It also comes with driving mode, loop recording, burst photos, and time-lapse, so whether you're vlogging or capturing a scenic road trip, this camera flexes with your style. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens autocorrects distortion, and with 2 rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries, you're ready for the long haul. Oh, and it's waterproof, rugged, and includes a full accessory kit, ready for swimming, surfing, cycling, climbing, and beyond.